Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in DEGIRO broker. Go to TradingFinder website, in Forex broker section, enter DEGIRO profile. Click on go to website. Then we enter the website. For registration, click on this option. Enter your email address plus username for your account. Then enter a password for your account, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, plus minimum 8 characters or more. Then repeat your password for confirmation. Finally, after entering all the informations, click here. We're going to receive an email. In order to confirm our email, go to your email, click on DEGIRO. For confirming your email, click here. Our email was verified. Click on login. Enter your username, then password. Finally, click on login. Then we have to type personal data and identity verification informations. Enter your name, last name, and gender. Then click on continue. Enter date of birth, place of birth, and country of residence. Then click on continue. On the next level, we have to verify our phone. Choose your country, enter your phone number, then choose you want to receive a SMS code or a call. We choose SMS, then click on continue. Enter the code that you received on your phone, then click on continue. Then we entered our accounts dashboard. And in the next video, we're going to teach you how to verify your account in DEGIRO. Good luck.